Hello everyone, this is Dharitree and today is National Handlooms Day. Most of you already know that I am from Assam and we Assamese are really proud of our handloom industry. Assamese Muga silk is world famous. So today we are going to talk about a young designer who has started her handloom industry in my hometown last year. She's already famous in North Lakhimpur. She is Miss Dharitree Gogoi. She is a NIFT Shillong graduate. After her fashion designing course at NIFT, she assisted reputed designers in Mumbai for more than 2 years. Last year, she came back home and started weaving her dreams into her clothes. Her banner produces all kind of mekhla chadar and gamusa. You can also check out her Western and Indian collection at Dharitree Gogoi on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you for watching my video.